Captain Keith here with MarineMax Clearwater.
Captain Nick Pavlakis from MarineMax in St. Petersburg, Florida, and welcome to our boating tip series. Today you find me in the parts department of MarineMax Clearwater, which is world class, and we're going to be talking about our top 3 marine electronic brands. Funny thing is, they're not going to be in any specific order, because if you stick with one of these 3 brands, you're going to be taken care of, and it's really all going to come down to preference. I'm going to tell you one thing that I like about each and every one of these brands. Over here we have Simrad. I've got a 16-inch Simrad personally on my boat. The thing I love the most is the interface with Mercury Marine. They're going to talk to each other really well, have your vessel view and stuff all on that, and anything going on with the engine, your Simrad's going to tell you. We're going to move over here to Raymarine. Raymarine, owned by Fleer. That's a unique relationship. So I really love on Raymarines, you get that night vision interface really well. They're gonna do a few more things. Not to say you can't have Fleer on any of your Simrad and Garmin's, but I just find that that Fleer-Mercury relationship translates to the end user for using night vision on your boat, which is something that isn't so crazy as it was in years of the past. You're seeing a lot of boats roll around with night vision now. Then over here, last but not least, we're going to start talking about Garmin. What I love about Garmin, super user-friendly. Just about anybody can hop on a new Garmin and just be a pro at it in no time at all. So you stick with one of these 3 brands, Garmin, Raymarine, or Simrad, try them out, come on down to the parts department, test them out a little bit, and I guarantee you that you're going to be in good hands.
If you guys need any upgrades or want to add stuff to your electronics collection, swing by your local MarineMax store, hit up their parts department, their service department. They're the professionals. They're going to be the ones to be able to install this and warranty it and take care of you to make sure everything works as it should. See you guys out on the water.